The Toyota Celica has always been more than just a car. It's a symbol of style, performance, and personality. And today we're diving into what made this iconic machine so unforgettable from its debut in the 1970s to its final generation. The Celica carved out a legacy that still turns heads. Conversations among enthusiasts and casual fans alike. Let's start with the early years when the Celica first hit the market in 1970. It was Toyota's answer to the growing demand for sporty, affordable coupes. It featured sleek lines, a lightweight body, and rear-wheel drive, creating a fun drive experience without breaking the bank. Those first-generation models quickly gained popularity, especially among younger drivers who wanted something stylish and reliable. As the years went on, the Celica evolved. The second and third generations in the late 70s and early 80s brought sharp designs, new engines, and upgraded interiors. Then came a major shift in the mid-80s when Toyota transitioned the Celica to front-wheel drive. This change made it more practical and fuel-efficient while still keeping its sporty character. Many fans were skeptical at first, but the move helped. Celica appealed to a wider audience. One of the most legendary versions arrived with the Celica GT4, also known as the all-track turbo, depending on the market. This model came with all-wheel drive and a turbocharged engine built specifically to compete in rally racing. Championship success in the late 80s and early 90s owes a lot to this beast. Drivers like Carlos Sainz helped put the Celica on the motorsport map, and the car earned a reputation for durability and performance under extreme conditions. The 90s brought what many consider the most iconic styling. The sixth generation, with its smooth curves and pop-up headlights, became a true poster car for the era, whether painted in bright red classic white or racing green. These cars had an undeniable presence on the road. Then came the final generation in 1999 with a sharper, more aggressive design and a focus on lighter weight and high-revving engines. Models like the GT and GTS, especially the ones equipped with Toyota's variable valve timing, were favorites among tuners and street racers. Inside the Celica, the driver-centric layout and sporty seating made every ride feel exciting. Even it was never a luxury car, Toyota paid close attention to build quality and reliability. These cars often ran for hundreds of thousands of miles with basic maintenance, making them great investments for enthusiasts. Performance parts were easy to find, and the tuning scene embraced the Celica. Engine swaps, suspension upgrades, and custom body kits. Today, the Celica holds a special place in automotive culture. Whether you remember it from rally championships, video games, or spotting one on the street, it's a car that made an impression. Some owners preserve theirs completely stock, while others modify them into track machines, show cars, or daily drivers. The pop-up headlight models in particular are becoming increasingly collectible, and values are rising for clean, well-kept examples. Even though Toyota ended production in 2006, the Celica's legacy lives on. Its influence can still be seen in modern Toyota sports cars, and its fanbase remains passionate. If you ever get the chance to drive one, you'll understand why this lightweight, nimble coupe still captures hearts decades after its debut. The Toyota Celica wasn't just built for the road, it was built for the driver. And that connection is what makes it unforgettable.